All right, good morning, guys. So we have a very interesting question here, and this question is what the federal government posted um, in Nigeria Custom Recruitment sector. So the stuff implies that numbers of applicants and numbers of positions. So this stuff here was trending on social media. So we have to strike a balance on this to see whether the country in this sector is moving or the country is in mayhem. So we have that numbers of applicants in Nigeria Custom Service recruitment this year is what 573,519 people, and numbers of position is what 3,927. Of course, you can see this is a very big disadvantage to this country. Have you seen people that are applying for this job are 500 and something thousand, and the numbers of positions for this job is just 3,000? So this is just times 100 of this. So first of all, let's calculate the probability of people getting this job, the percentage of people getting this job, and the ratio of people getting this job. So we have solution. The probability of people, probability is simply numbers of positions over numbers of applicants, which is going to be 3,927 all over 573,519. So if you divide this by this, you're going to have 0.0068. And if you can see that this is not even equivalent to 1. So the chance of people in position for this job is not even equivalent to 1. So it's just 0.0068, which is very, very poor, very, very bad. And also the percentage of people getting this job is just saying multiply, percentage is 100, multiply this by 100, and we have 0.68%. So the percentage of people in position for this job is just 0.68. It's not even up to 1%. And this is very, very bad to our economy. So what's the ratio? Ratio is going to be 573 to 519 is to um, 3927. Of course, to find the ratio, first of all, I divide this by itself. We have here 1. And if I divide this by this, I'll have what? 146. This simply implies that 146 people are applying for one position of this job. Very, very bad. So have you seen how this is very, very sometimes I still think whether Nigeria will be better, but we trust God for the development of this country. So you can see here that 146 people are applying for just one position of this job. So the probability of 145 people to go back without getting this job. So that is very, very bad. So how do we do? And I think that there are some criteria to meet up if some people will get this job. Number one, maybe is if your documents are not complete. Uh, Also, one or two things like that may occur, and you may not be picked, and some political things may be involved. So the chance of people getting this job is very, very poor. So please, I urge that Nigerian government should do well in terms of job recruitment, so that the rate of crime and criminal and corruption in our country will be on a minimal state. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.